Ever wished for an assistant who never gets tired? Picture this, a team member who works tirelessly day and night without the need for breaks or sleep. This superhuman assistant isn't out of a science fiction novel, it's the reality of AI agents. These computer programs are designed to take on tasks just like a human would, but within the digital realm. From answering emails and writing articles to managing your schedule and interacting with customers, AI agents can do it all. But these aren't your typical employees. They don't ask for overtime pay, they never take a sick day, and they're always ready and waiting to help. What's even more impressive is their ability to learn. Each task completed makes them just a bit smarter, a bit more efficient. They're like students, constantly improving and growing alongside your business. With AI agents, you're not just hiring help, you're getting a smart helper that grows with your business. Meet MarketingBlocks, your AI powerhouse. This isn't just another tech tool, it's a game changer. A toolkit designed to help you create your very own AI helpers. Think of it as a genie in a bottle, ready to grant your business wishes. Whether you're tech-savvy or a novice, MarketingBlocks makes it easy for everyone. Imagine being a chef in a high-tech kitchen. You've got a smorgasbord of AI experts at your disposal, all prepped and ready to go. Want to whip up something unique? No problem. With MarketingBlocks, you can craft your own special AI, tailored perfectly to your business needs. The process is simple, much like following a recipe. And the best part? It's quick. In no time at all, you'll have an AI agent ready to get to work. So, let MarketingBlocks take the reins and watch as your business life becomes a whole lot easier. You'll be surprised at how quickly you can have an AI agent up and running, ready to tackle tasks, and make your life a whole lot easier. Let's dive into the simple steps of crafting your AI employee with MarketingBlocks. First off, we'll start with accessing AI expertise with MarketingBlocks. Picture this as stepping into a vast library of AI professionals, all ready and eager to assist you. To get started, navigate to the MarketingBlocks site and sign up for a free trial. Once you're inside, click on Chat Blocks and then Chat with an Expert. Voila! You're now in a sea of AI professionals ready to assist you. Next, let's talk about engaging with pre-made AI experts. These are like off-the-shelf solutions ready to start working for you right away. Imagine having a team of experts at your fingertips, each with their own skill set and knowledge base. You simply pick the one that fits your needs the best. It's like hiring a new employee, but without the lengthy interview process. Finally, we come to crafting your custom AI personality. This is where you can really let your creativity shine. You can mix and match different skills and features to create an AI employee that's tailor-made for your business. Think of it as building a robot, but instead of nuts and bolts, you're using bytes and algorithms. In just a few clicks, you've created your own AI employee ready to assist in your business needs. It's that simple with MarketingBlocks. Revolutionize your business with MarketingBlocks. Step into the future and say goodbye to the high costs associated with human labor. Embrace the power of AI and let MarketingBlocks ease your workload with our comprehensive AI marketing suite. Replace expensive apps and experience the smooth operations of your business. It's time to unleash the potential of AI in your business. Sign up for your free trial at MarketingBlocks.ai and see your business grow. Check the link in the description below.